Okay, this is the British PLCE water bottle utility pouch. On the back you've got the press stud fastenings with the flap, you've got the two clips to attach to your webbing belt, and then you've got the velcro strip for securing it with the press studs, and you've got a little loop there as well, drainage hole in the bottom, and the usual snap fastening clip front with the velcro as well, which can also be fastened over like that. And just to give you an idea how much it holds, this is packed down and you've still got space in there, so you've still got quite a bit of space. We've got a waterproof jacket, 7 meters of paracord. There's a separate sort of dividing partition there. It's got some noodles in there. Got a utility multi-tool, small survival kit in a tin, a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and finally a little stainless steel cup. So there you go, there's the British PLCE water bottle utility pouch. You can see the label on there, hopefully. It's water carrier canteen, DPM, Syntex, 1995, and then all the serial numbers. Okay,